So I'm going to do a full video on the Citi credit card with Overstock. So if you guys want to see a full review on that credit card, definitely check that out. I'm actually going to make that review after this video, but we still can look at that credit card for Overstock right now. So Overstock, they have a store credit card already. That's with Community Capital Bank. And then also they have a new MasterCard that's with Citi. Now, Citi is going to pull your Experian credit report and sometimes your Equifax credit report, and then some cases could pull TransUnion, but most likely it's going to be Experian. So just make sure that you guys have a better credit score. Don't, when you think of Citi, think of them as, okay, I need to have at least like a 660 or 680 credit score and not a lot of negative accounts, or you're not going to be able to get approved. But let's go ahead and just take a quick look at the credit card. So here is the credit card. Here you can actually pre-qualify for this MasterCard, which is really good because I don't really see everybody being able to, well, I don't really see you being able to pre-qualify for Citi credit card. So the point that you can pre-qualify for this MasterCard is really good. So you can click right here to see if you can pre-qualify for it. You guys, these are like the different things you can get back when you're using your MasterCard. Don't forget, MasterCard you can use outside of just using it on Overstock.com. So you guys are going to get 5% back on Overstock purchases, 3% back on apparel and department stores, 2% back on gas purchases, and 1% back on all your other purchases. Now, with their store card, they got 60-month financing, and you guys are going to get that too. So you guys are going to have the no interest if paid in full. So they have the 6 months, 12 months, 24 months, and 18 months, and then they go even long term. But if you guys go with 36 months, 48 months, or 60 months, 3 years, 4 years, or 5 years, they are going to charge you 9.99%, and your purchase have to be over $1,300 to start with that one. So here's actual rewards, and again, you can pre-qualify for that card. I'm going to do a full review on this credit card, so if you want to see that full review, definitely check it out. Thank you for bringing it to my attention. I like that you can pre-qualify for this card. I know when everybody buy houses, I love to be able to say, hey, you got your house now. Instead of just spending all your money trying to get furniture, get all this, get all that, keep your little nest egg and go ahead and, try to see if you can do like some 0% APR. And I love those options. So this is a great one for people. So thank you for bringing it to my attention. If you want to see the full review, definitely check out my channel, and then you guys will be able to see that full review coming.